Hello guys, welcome to Leisure Dust. I am Payal Seth here. In today's video, we are going to try a different medium to express our inspiration of the week, air dry clay. I have never used air dry clay before, so before hitting the record button, I went ahead and experimented on these figures having cactus as our inspiration. And I have to tell you guys, they have turned out pretty cute. What do you guys think? Should I try more of this medium? Let me know in the comments down below. Now that I have confidence with the medium, let's get on with our original inspiration and start our video. For this project, I am using a 10-inch MDF board and air dry clay from Jovi. The links to buy this are in the description below. Before starting the video, let's quickly make a rough sketch of our inspiration. We are going to work in layers to build our character's face. The layer 1 is just a flat surface on the board. The layer 2 is where we are going to work on the face details by cutting strips and building the dimensions of the face. Here I'm quickly going to redraw the face of our character just to know where we are going to place our elements of our face. So here I am cutting the strips and building the face's details. You would be wondering, why am I building the face with strips and not like the layer 1? The thing is guys, I wanted to give some depth in our character's face by adding irregular bits of clay to the structure. I believe we put every tiny detail in our life and shape our situation and consequences accordingly. Tiny details plays important role and they create ripples in our destiny. And thus the inspiration for this character. Every tiny detail on its face is an expression of our heart. And in this rushing world, where we ignore our heart and focus on mind, we often forget that it's the journey that matters and not the goal. And in our journey, we should listen to our heart and focus on tiny details like gratitude, love, happiness in the present moment. Expression of heart is a journey of embracing the tiny details of full life, of the life in whole. So our face is the expression of our heart. I'm going to smooth out every lines using water and this palette knife. The trick here is guys, add where the clay is required and blend it with the tools and with water. Lots of water. Just blend it with your hands, the tools. Just try to build the character's face by adding and removing the details. So our face is ready and all set for the drying. I'm going to leave this for drying for about 4 days, 4 to 5 days, and I'm going to see you after 4 days or 5 days. After 4 to 5 days, the clay is completely dry and we are going to move to our next step. The next step is to sand the face very mildly, just the top surface, to remove the handprints, small fibers, harsh lines and small tiny cracks, to just remove only the surface and not disturb our character's face. I'm going to use this tiny piece of sandpaper to get in the corners of the nose and the mouth. After sanding, I'm going to apply gesso. You can also use white paint or leave it just here and say it done. But I'm not going to stop here because there is one more element left for the character to be finished. So I'm applying a lot of gesso and smoothing it out with water. After the gesso is dried, we are on the final stage of the project, the red paint. Let's paint the heart. I have to say, this step brings it all in. It builds the character's true face. So yeah, we are going to paint the heart. Don't forget to paint all the nooks and corners. Yeah, adding the final stroke to our heart. So yeah guys, this is how it has turned out. What did you think of this art piece and did you like the medium? Please do let me know in the comments down below and post your work if you're going to make this art, our expression of heart, on our Instagram page, Leisure Dust. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my work. This is Payal Sethia signing off. Bye.